What's up, BB gang? It's your girl Shyvonne, and as y'all can see by the thumbnail and the title of this video, we coming in again and again and again and again. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a prank on Javon. The prank is, babe, our relationship is boring. I'm tired, it's boring. I need something new, or I need someone new. Okay, so yeah guys, yeah, Javon has been doing quite a few pranks on me lately, and I haven't came back at him, you know what I mean? I haven't came back at him or nothing. I think it's time that I get him back. Okay, what y'all think? Y'all think it's time I get him back? I think it's time I get him back. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos from us. Watch this whole video because y'all know his reactions are the best. Hopefully I can get him to get his accent out really strong, because it's gonna be funny. Y'all, I always find it funny whenever he's like talking his accent or whatever and he's mad and stuff. It's so funny because I don't understand nothing he's talking about. Make sure y'all like this video, comment in the comment section, team Shyvonne, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when we post another video. And y'all, let's get straight into this prank video. I ain't gonna do no more talking. Let's get straight into this prank video. Boom. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to set up the camera right now. Javon is downstairs fixing something on his car. Alright, now it's gonna take a few minutes, so I'm finna try to set up the camera somewhere. I'm trying to find a good spot to set the camera up so he won't see it. So yeah guys, let me get this camera in place before he comes in. And yeah guys, spam it up in the comment section, team Shyvonne, right now.
Spam it up in the comment section, man. Let's go.
You can pause the video right now and put team Shyvonne in the comment section right now. Yeah guys, let's get this video started. Okay, I'm gonna put this over the lens, over this part here. Okay. Yeah, okay. Guys, he's just about done with his car, so yeah, let's get this started.
I'll do your color, as long as your front bag is well. In the meantime,
What are you drinking? Horchata?
Yeah, it was freaking hot in the garage.
Huh?
It was hot in the garage.
It was hot in the garage. You look sexy.
What you watching?
The order. What's that, milk? I know you ain't drinking milk.
Where's it going? It's hot.
That's that
You want
Devilson? Babe, turn light on.
Alright.
I need the light.
For what?
Ooh.
What over, bro? I should take a shot from hell. I'm sweaty.
Yes, you should.
I wash sheets.
Babe, turn the light back on.
Why?
Because I need to see this. Thank you.
Oh, shit.
Here. You say it was hot.
It's hot, bro.
A kiss. Babe, I said a kiss. Don't be breathing in my mouth.
I'm damn tired. Hot, bro.
You tired?
Yeah, I'm hot.
Babe, got stuff to do. How you tired?
I was in the garage, bro. It's hot.
Why you didn't bring the fan down there or something?
I ain't gonna work.
You're right. Babe, we got stuff to do today. You gotta get untired. I got plans for us to do stuff today.
In 5 minutes.
5 minutes? No, your 5 minutes gonna take forever. Okay, so what
By the time 14 minutes, by the time the show finishes, watch, I'll be there.
Babe, no. We have time. We have a time schedule.
You do what? You do what?
Hey,
What?
get up.
Nigga, I don't. Oh.
No, you're not. That's all you do is come in here and lay down. What? That's all you do is come in here and lay down.
Yeah,
Every time you come from work, you come home and you just lay down. That's it. We don't do nothing. You lay down and then you watch this Twitch twack stuff with the gaming stuff. Hey, we got stuff to do. We already had this planned yesterday.
What are you talking about? What work I do with this? I was in the garage. You know it's damn near almost 90 degrees. Why is it so hot early in the morning though?
Because it's dewy.
So what are you talking about? Got stuff to do? Oh, I know that, but I was in the garage. But nigga, it's not even 10 o'clock, bro. It's barely 9:40.
I didn't tell you to go in the garage right before we had stuff to do.
I didn't tell you to get up early anyway.
We could have waited. No, because you always be talking about how I don't get up early enough. And then the day when I want to get up early enough, you want to do other stuff. We already had stuff planned.
I was up early. I was trying to get my stuff out of the way. Anyways, man, give me 10 minutes, bro.
10, you just said 5.
I mean, you wasting my time. I ain't start my break yet.
What break?
My 5 minute
You're
break.
not at work. Bro, this all you do. You don't never show me.
I'm at work every day with you. When you wrong, that's work. What you talking about?
No, it's not. Shut up. That's all you do is freaking chill. I don't want to chill. I want to do stuff.
But you know you can go places without me.
No, I can't.
So, why you?
Why would I be in a relationship?
Bro, watch your show. What is he talking about?
No, I was watching this until you got finished.
Okay, you got 14 minutes.
No,
I promise you, when that 14 minutes is done.
It's done.
Okay, what you want to do? What you want to do?
Come on, let's go out, do something.
Man, it's 9:40, bro.
Let's
Man,
go.
Corona's still in the air, bro. What you talking about?
I know. I'm not saying like go out like in a crowd of people.
Shit. Man, you already talking about let's go places, man.
Like this morning, I asked you, let's go running. And you don't want to go running.
What time you actually go running?
Early this morning.
What is early?
Oh, it's 7:30.
Okay, what time I'm gonna go work?
8:45.
What's the point when you gonna run and come back at 8:30? That's like not even an hour. What's the point? Exactly my point. Shut up.
We could have went to the park right here. It's a park right here. It's a park by my house.
I'm not finna go in that ghetto ass park.
What ghetto ass
I'm not finna go
park?
over there.
But it's a park by my house.
So you only waste time drive way down your house.
You saying that like it's past the freaking 288 or something.
You can walk up right now.
Bro,
Now when that sun start beaming down in your face, don't come crying to me.
I swear, bro, I'm tired of this.
What is it?
I'm really.
Want some breast milk?
No, I don't want no freaking breast milk.
You say you're tired.
I'm tired of you.
Breast milk keep the baby from not crying. So you're crying. So you want some breast milk?
Move! I waste this milk all over the bed. That's all you do. I'm tired of this. Shoot.
Tired of what? What's there to be tired about? The only person that's making yourself tired is you.
I'm bored, Javon.
Bored of what?
I'm bored of this relationship. It's boring. We don't do anything anymore. It's boring.
Bitch, I know you fucking lied.
Where's this coming from?
From right now.
You didn't have that.
I haven't said anything because I was like, okay, well, maybe he's tired. Maybe
But if you bored, babe, you was your own person. You were over 18. You were adult, young adult. I don't control you. Like, you can do whatever you want to do. If you saying you're bored, first of all, what are you feeling? I ain't got time for you.
What?
You been closing majority of the time, right?
Okay, the days that I don't.
So you want to tour the whole world? You want to go Africa, Antarctica, and type shit?
Yes, when we can afford it. But I'm not talking about go someplace extravagant. I've been saying let's go have a picnic for the longest. We don't have to be around a crowd of people. Because I know Corona is still out here. We don't have to be around a lot of people. We can go to a park, isolated in our own little section, away from people, at a good scene, and just chill and just enjoy each other.
So who's stopping that?
I've been talking about let's go have like.
So who's stopping that?
You.
How am I stopping that?
Because why would I want to go have a picnic by myself?
Did you get the stuff yet?
Why would I have a picnic by myself?
Did you get the stuff yet?
Javon, everything that I probably would get you probably, I don't eat that. I don't eat that. I don't eat that.
Why would I want to get something that I don't eat?
Okay, so why would I get it by myself?
You get it and then we go.
No, you just said why would I get something that I don't eat?
What?
What if I pick up something and you don't like it? What if I pick up cheese and crackers. What if I pick up stuff to make sandwiches?
You
stuff
making no
double
sense
cheese?
right now. Why are you
No,
doing this right now, bro?
because-
It's 9. I don't understand coffee in the morning. I don't understand why you're doing this right now, bro. Like, you know what I eat. We've been in this restaurant long enough. You've been around each other long enough to know what we eat. So why are you trying? I thought you
Babe,
don't know what I eat.
we never went on a picnic. Picnic food is like cheese and crackers, little sandwiches,
Okay.
and
I eat those, right?
Javon, you
I eat
know,
those, right? No, I eat those, right?
cheese and cracker?
You never seen cheese and crackers before?
No.
I eat. Who doesn't eat cheese and crackers? I eat cheese, right? And I eat crackers, right?
You eat them desert crackers.
That's the same crackers. Crackers.
No, I'm not picking
I
those
eat
crackers
cheese, right?
though.
I eat cheese, right?
Yes,
Okay,
but I'm
so-
not picking those crackers.
What do you believe? Crackers
I'm
is
picking
crackers.
Ritz crackers.
You them the square box crackers?
No,
What?
Ritz crackers.
Crackers is crackers. Anybody eat
Okay,
crackers?
okay. So I'm gonna
Cheese
get
is
crackers.
cheese.
I'm gonna get crackers and cheese. We're
You
gonna
make,
get
it
some
seem
ranch
like, you make it
dips.
seem like you're getting some yourself from. You make it seem like you make it.
That you could.
What?
Oh my god! You make it seem like you're getting your stuff from Antarctica type, like.
Okay, what if I go to what if I pick up something and be like, oh, maybe he'll eat this. This would be a good picnic snack.
You just said. That's your own for waking up, huh? So what y'all started for, huh? Yeah, and you bought it.
'Cause we got
And you
stuff
saying
to
you got stuff to
do.
do, but that's your alarm.
That's everyday basis. Babe, I just want to go on a picnic or
Hey, go
something.
get the stuff. You just name the stuff: sandwich, crackers, and
Okay,
cheese.
but I
Everybody
would
eat that shit.
prefer you to go with me just in case it's something that you find that you want to eat there.
Okay, let's go then.
Let's go. Shoot.
Let's go. Can I? You want to take a shower? Let's go at it.
No, take a shower.
Okay. So don't complain when I take forever.
No, don't take forever.
Talking about your shit, though. Talking about your side relationship.
I am. It's boring. We don't do anything. We haven't done anything in 2 years. 2 years, Javon.
You funny, bro. You cap.
2.
You cap.
How am I capping?
You cap.
How am I capping?
What you doing in 2 years?
We haven't done anything in 2
Like
We
what?
haven't went on a trip in 2 years. We haven't went on a date in 2 years. Nothing. If I wanted to be in a boring relationship, I would have got with somebody's grandpa.
Is this a joke, bro?
No, it's not a joke. I'm dead ass.
Some kind of video,
I'm
bro?
dead ass.
Okay, you joking right now.
No, I'm not. Do you like I'm
you say
joking?
2 years.
We've been dating for 2 years and some months.
What's the one? We just went on a freaking. We went to the mall a couple weeks ago. You say we ain't went nowhere.
Bruh. The mall.
Shut up.
I said date.
Shut up.
Who you talking
Shut
to?
you.
Who
Cause
talking
I
to?
got that fucker right now. Shut up.
What?
Cause look. Right, this virus been around. You trying to go and get? You trying to go and get this thing? This what you trying to do?
Didn't I just tell you we don't have to go around a crowd of people? I'm not telling us to go
Okay,
around a crowd of people.
okay, we gonna do the picnic. Then what?
You just spit on me.
Then what? I don't care. Cause you talking bullshit right now.
You talking bullshit.
We go to the picnic. Then do what? Then what? Shut your fucking
I don't
mouth.
know,
Shut your
something
fucking.
else.
What?
Something else.
Which is like what?
Anything.
You gonna stop saying the whole time, the whole pandemic saying we need to go walk. We ain't been in the mall. We went to the mall. You pushing right now. You want us to go there. Eventually we're gonna end up going around other people. Then eventually we're gonna get in this thing, bro.
Babe.
Look. If this is boring, you can pack your shit. You can go. You can go wherever you want to go. You feel me? I love my
So you
life.
kicking me out?
I'm not kicking you out. You're kicking yourself out.
No, I'm not. You just told me to pack my stuff. Did I tell myself to pack my
You
stuff?
said, but you said the relationship is boring. So if clear is boring, I'm pretty
Okay,
sure.
let's fix it. Let's do something about it.
How we gonna fix it?
What you mean?
How we gonna fix it?
What you mean?
Huh? How we gonna fix it?
He.
How we gonna fix it?
He.
How we gonna fix it? Let's stop fucking with me, man, boy.
What you mean? How we gonna fix it?
Boy, I'm going around in 2 years. That's the biggest cycle in your
Let's
life.
do something. Let's do something different with our sex.
You talking
life.
about travel wise?
Let's do something different with our
I ain't
sex.
finna
life.
travel nowhere right now, bro. You're tripping, bro.
Okay, let's do something
We
different
gotta
with
go
our
to
sex life.
restaurants. We can, what?
Let's do something different with our sex life then.
Sex that's it. Oh, that's stressing me out.
How much stressing you out?
You said we haven't done nothing in 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't had sex in 2. We have sex way more after 2 years. So we ain't know we ain't talking about sex. So why you bringing up sex for?
Because I want some type of excitement. Any type of excitement.
I know this motherfucker ain't talking about excitement. You talking about excitement?
Yes.
You talking about excitement?
Yes.
So you want to talk about sex right now?
No.
So why the f*** you bringing up again about that? What you?
Because Javon, jeez.
You annoying, bro.
Babe, how am I
Come
annoying?
on, boy, you in this shit.
See, look, you won't even give me a hug.
No, cause you talking bullshit, bro.
You won't even give me a hug.
Yo.
It's a break. It's a break. It's a
Yeah.
It's a break. It's a break. It's a break.
Man. Shut up, bro. That's milk, bro. I knew he was doing something, bro. I knew he was doing something.
Yo, he's about to get serious. I have to hurry up and end it. He's about to get serious. Look at him.
I knew he was, bro. You shook my knee, bro.
Man, you look sexy,
Move,
boo.
bro. Move. I knew he was doing something. I just knew he was doing something.
Wait,
Move. Top.
oh, okay. Ooh.
Top.
You top.
I knew he was doing something. Move that camera, man. I knew he was doing something. Talking about waiting this shit in 2 years. That's why I knew he was capping. Move that camera. That ain't no, move.
Man, how do you feel?
Move, bro. Why you got to carry my face on that shit off of my nostrils and shit?
Babe,
I feel okay.
you feel okay?
Yeah, I feel okay.
But I still think our relationship is boring.
Okay, that's good for you.
It's good for me.
Yeah, do something. Fix it.
I am trying to fix it. You ignore me.
You fix it right in the camera. That's you big cat, bro.
I'm big.
That's all. I knew you was bullshitting, bro. Cause you said we need shit in 2 years. I was like, oh, what? I got a camera on my phone, man.
Whatever. I think I got him pretty good, y'all.
My whole ends drink, man.
Alright guys, if y'all like this prank video that I this light work prank video that I just did on Javon, make sure y'all like the video, comment in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we post another video, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.